Hello guys, welcome back again. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I'm back with a brand new video. I hope all of you are safe and be careful because right now the Omicron is the affected on the whole world. So guys, I wish if you stay on home and stay safe. So guys, today I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'll talk about the NatGain project. Here you can see that I'm already on the front page of the NatGain project. NatGain is a NFT based project, metaverse based project, Web3 project, DeFi project, crypto wallet, and e-commerce based project. Mainly is the e-commerce based and DApps based project. So guys, here you can see that NatGain ecosystem. NatGain is offering users and developers powerful tools including Web3, DeFi, metaverse, NFT, crypto wallet, e-commerce and DApp. So guys, it's a very good project for the crypto investor, crypto hunters also. It's a very good and big project. Here you can see that guys, if you have an inquiry you can contact them via their telegram, and if you have need to update their project day by day or recent update about this project, you can follow their Twitter also. So guys, here you can see that the SOD rewards up to BUSD 40,000 whitelist investor investing during IDO. So guys, they are plan to launch a IDO and their raised amount is 40,000 and it will be and the I do start in 5 days. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for the investor because 5 days left for the IDO, and I hope all of you can join this IDO because it's a very good project, very big project. Here you can see the lottery winners 15,000 BSD to investor in IDO, mega winner to Ethereum's and 10 BNBs. So guys, here are some lottery system. Lottery winners gets 15,000 BSD to invest in IDO to the members. Here you can see the rewards. So rewards to all investor in IDO of up to BSD 20,000 giveaway, unique NFT giveaway up to 5,000 BSD. So guys, they are planned to give away their IDO members for 5,000 BSD. So guys, here you can see that some others info about this project. Redistribution invest in NatGain and earn BSD on every subsequent buy and sell. So guys, if you invest in NatGain project, you can you can get some bonus, some BUSD bonus on every buy and sell. So guys, it's a very good project, very good system for the NatGain project investor because they are get a very big chance to you because they are taking to you a bonus if you when you buy and sell here. So guys, here you can see that example of the NatG invest in NatGain to earn BUSD. Here you can see that example of the how you can get this BUSD. So guys, here you can see that it's a web 3.0 browser. Here you can see that Jaguar web 3.0 is the core product on which the entire NatGain ecosystem is built. The browser is the basic element to which all major product. So guys, NatGain is a 3.0 browser also. You can see that NatGain offers the following builds on function. So guys, NatGain offer this feature. So guys, it's a very good project. You can see the secured web crypto console, decentralized application, decentralized games OM project, voice and video call, secure chat, multiplayer player VPN. So guys, it's a very good project. I think here you can see that some big function, big features for this project. And they are working like a working with a metaverse, so it's a very good project I think for you, I think for the any crypto investor, crypto hunters also. So guys, here you can know more about, if you want to know more about this project, you can see the video, this option, watch video option, and find out more. If you have any need to more information, you can know about this and find out more option. Here consider some characteristic of Web 3.0: fast and at free, private, optimized and efficient, has dark mode. So guys, it's a very big features. I think it's a very big features for the investor of this NatGain project. Here you can see that the DeFi is also a DeFi exchange. NatGain DeFi exchange would allow users to trade, land, borrow various cryptocurrency beside usual features of a DeFi exchange. So guys, NatGain is a very good project, DeFi exchange also. Here you can know more about the project. Here you can see that other products, other features of this project. Here you can see the metaverse, wallet, hyper e-commerce. So guys, here you can see that NatGain is working with metaverse. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for the investor of the NatGain. here you can see the Narget is building metaverse. It would allow users to make video audio calls or do shopping for their metaverse avatar, play game and much more. Nargen metaverse would be accessed via Nargen web3 browser called Jaws. So guys, it's a very good for the crypto investor, for the Nargen investor. So they are working with a metaverse. Here you can see that wallet, this user optimized crypto wallet offers users easy access to their crypto. So guys, here you can easily use your cryptocurrency wallet, crypto trade, crypto buy sell, anything. And you see that it is a D hyper e-commerce presenting Nadgen digital hyper e-commerce platform. It is connected to Nadgen's web3 browser called Zo. So guys, it's a D hyper e-commerce also. So guys, it's a very good free features, very good products of the Nadgen, and it's a long-term project. It's a big project, guys. I want to tell you can invest in this project because it's a very good project. Product timeline, here you can see that the product timeline, that means roadmap, I think. Here you can see that the roadmap about this project. Here you can see that phase 1 Q1 2022, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5 after 2022. So guys, their plan is very big. Here you can see that some big features of this project. You can see that UI domination, final UX development, go live on 28 February, UI domination interface and back end development. So guys, it's a very good plan, very good roadmap of this project, and the timeline is very strong. Here you can see the product timeline. Here you can see that development server integrate with BTC Ethereum BAP, development of nodes, and after that live trading swap function mobile app. So guys, their plan is very big and very big. So I tell you guys, you can invest this project because their plan is very good and very big. So guys, here you can see that their plan is right now, their plan is on IDO on Pinkcell, and it will be very soon in near 4-5 days, and after that they are plan to list on DEX exchange. After that they are plan to list on centralized exchange Binance. Their plan is listing on Binance, after that listing on other centralized exchange also. Here you can see that the tokenomics about this project. Here you can see the liquidity pool, product registration. Here you can see that the total supply market cap of this project, and here you can see that 45% for the IDO private sale, 10% question for 10% marketing, and others are also available. Here you can see that the partners of the product, advisor of this project, partner of this project. Here you can see that Pancake, BSS, CoinGecko, Pinkcell, Interfree Network already a partner of this project. So guys, it's a very big project, very good project. Here you can see that the team of the project, MB, BK, KVR, they are also very big and very experienced on this cryptocurrency history. You can see that advisors of this project, they are also very experienced in cryptocurrency history. So guys, here you can see that other features of this product. If you have any inquiry, you can contact us via their Telegram and Twitter also. So guys, if you need to update day by day, you can also follow their social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Medium, Reddit also. So guys, it's a very big project. I think all of you can invest this project because their roadmap, their plan is very big, and after 5 days they are launch a IDO on Pinkcell. So guys, it's a very good opportunity, so grab this token, purchase this token. So guys, that's all of my video. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and if you want to purchase this token, you can purchase this token because their plan is very good, I think. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all.